Welcome to iGarden PLUG 5120 installation tutorial. First, place the equipment on a level surface in the designated location, ensuring that it is stable and not tilted. Below are the display and ports of the iGarden PLUG 5120. Please follow the instructions for the ports shown to proceed with the wiring. Select an environment that meets the following conditions to prevent equipment malfunctions or safety risks caused by an unsuitable environment. Maintain a minimum distance of 150 millimeters between the top and rear of the machine and surrounding objects or obstacles. Connect the AC power cord to the machine's AC port. The AC grid tie cables are equipped with an anti-misinsertion design. Please pay attention to the correct orientation during connection. And plug the other end into a household outlet. Connect photovoltaic modules. The PLUG 5120 supports dual MPPTs with a maximum input of 1,000 watts per MPPT. Once the power is turned on, the main unit will start up automatically. Please be sure to turn off the main power supply before installing the electric meter. For single-phase power supply, connect to the Phase A port of the RC01 meter. For three-phase power supply, wire the meter according to standard three-phase connection practices. Clamp the CT transformer onto the main power line. During CT installation, make sure the arrow is directed from the grid towards the load. Connect the sampling cable to the smart meter to monitor household electricity usage. If smart meters are commonly used in your area, you can use the iGarden P1 meter reader for quick installation. Simply plug the RJ12 connector into the P1 port on the electricity meter to read real-time electricity usage data. Open App Store or Google Play to download the AEC Cloud and start Smart Control. Turn on your Bluetooth, add your home, and then edit the home information. After that, add your device. Logically pair the electricity meter with the energy storage unit. The iGarden PLUG 5120 has a cycle life of over 6,000 cycles, and its built-in heating film ensures normal operation at temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius. iGarden, energy freedom, anytime, anywhere.